Hi everyone, I'm John with Irie, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Find feature inside the Readit software. So the Readit software goes along together with the Readit Scholar or the Readit Air. It can also be used as a standalone product, but the idea is you scan in documents, books, that kind of thing. And you can even scan full books if you wanted to at one time. So that is a lot of data or a lot of text to sort through. So if you're looking for something specific, so maybe you're looking for a certain chapter, maybe you're looking for a certain text within your document or something like that, Readit has a Find feature that can search throughout your entire document. So I've scanned in a page of a document here, and I'm just going to show you how to use that Find feature. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can either use Control F to bring up the Find if you want to. You can also go up here to the Navigation menu, and then under Navigation you have Find, and it brings up this little window here, and you can type in the term you want to search for. So I'm going to search for the word data, okay? And you can have it look in the entire document on a specific page if you want to. You can also have it match the case of your of the word too. So if there's uppercase, lowercase in that word, you can actually have it match that as well. And when you're happy, you press OK. So I'm going to search for data. Press OK here, and there we go. It popped me up to the first instance of data. And now if I want to keep looking for the word data throughout this document, I can simply press F3 on my keyboard, and it takes me to the next data, next, 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 and so on. So you can use Control F to find, and then use F3 to continue searching for that word or that term throughout your document, throughout a single page, or throughout the entire document. Alright, so that's how you use the Find feature inside the Readit software. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.